Hello everyone, welcome to Chem at that point. Dear student, today I will discuss class 10 chapter 3 metals and non-metals. Uh, this video is based on MCQs and short question answers. So it is a DPP4 and previously I was uploaded for DPP1 to DPP3, and in this video description I will provide that links. Okay, if you don't see the DPP1 to DPP3, you can be click on that link, you can be directly open this video. Okay, so let's start. So first question is, what is aqua regia, right? Dear student, question number 1, it is directly com CBSE 2025. Okay, and it is an expected question also. So what is aqua regia? Aqua regia is a freshly prepared mixture of concentrated hydrochloric acid and concentrated nitric acid in the ratio 3:1. Dear student, it's a basically two question, right? What is the aqua regia? Okay, hydrochloric acid, concentrated hydrochloric acid and nitric acid. And second question is the ratio, aqua regia in the ratio. Okay, ratio is the 3:1. Got it, my friend? Do you understand, my friend? Okay, any confusion? Okay, now move to the question number 2. Which is a series that arranges metals in the decreasing order of reactivity. Okay, so it's a very simple answer. It's a reactivity series. Okay, now move to the question number 3. According to the reactivity series, which are the most and least reactive metals respectively? So dear students, more reactive metal is potassium and least reactive metal is gold. Okay, so right option is C, potassium and gold. Done. Now move to the question number 4. Write the equations for the reactions of iron plus steam, and the second is the calcium and potassium with water. Dear student, iron plus steam 2 gives iron oxide plus hydrogen gas, right? It is a balanced chemical equation. Just have a look. And calcium reacts with water, give rise to calcium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. Potassium reacts with water, give rise to potassium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. And all of you know potassium hydroxide is a base. Calcium hydroxide also a base. Do you understand my point? Now move to the question number 5. State the chemical reaction of iron plus dilute sulfuric acid. Second bit, zinc iron sulfate. Okay, so dear student, iron plus dilute sulfuric acid to form iron sulfate aqueous plus H2 gas. Okay, zinc plus iron sulfate aqueous give rise to zinc sulfate plus Fe. Dear student, it is a displacement reaction also, right? Zinc is the more reactive as compared to iron. That's why zinc displaces the iron. Got it? Any confusion? No. Now move to the question number 6. Question number 6, dear student, question number 6 is a very important, is directly come in your exam, right? So write the electronic configuration of the following elements. Helium atomic number is the 2, neon atomic number is the 10, argon 18, potassium 19, chlorine 17 and nitrogen 7. Okay, helium electronic configuration is the 1s2. Okay, and you can also write only 2. Okay, neon atomic number is 10, 2 comma 8, 2 comma 8. Okay, and argon atomic number is the 18. 2, 8, 8. It is a 18. Potassium atomic number is a 19. 2, 8, 8, 1. Okay. Do you understand my point? Chlorine atomic number is the 17. You can write also 2, 8, 7. Okay. Then nitrogen atomic number is 7. 2, 5. 2, 5. Do you understand my point? Yeah, you can write in this way. Got it? Now, explain the formation of magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride, MgCl2, right? So, all of you know magnesium is the metal and chloride is the non-metal. And metal properties to losing an electron, non-metal to gaining an electron, right? The magnesium atomic number is the 12, right? Electronic configuration 2, 8, 2. Got it, my point? Outermost shell, they have 2 electron. It is loose and 2 electron. That's why magnesium give rise to magnesium plus 2 electron. Plus 2 is also a oxidation number. Got it? Now chlorine. Chlorine is a non-metal to gaining an electron. To gaining an electron. Okay? To gaining an electron. Those elements gain an electron to develop negative charge. Okay? So chlorine atomic number is the 17. Electronic configuration is 2, 8, 7. The outermost they have 7 electron. Okay, if you gain 1 electron, outermost they have completely octet complete, right? So that's why chlorine gaining 1 electron to form Cl minus 2, 8, 8. This is the chloride anion. Okay, dear student, it is a structure, right? Magnesium losing 2 electron, right? Chlorine, 1 chlorine gain 1 electron. Okay, so 2 chlorine they have gain 2 electrons. So magnesium plus 2, Cl minus twice. So MgCl2. Any confusion? Any doubt, dear students? No doubt? Done? आगे बढ़े? Now move to the question number 8. The compounds formed by the transfer of electron from a metal to non-metal are known as covalent compound, ionic compound, electrovalent compound, both B and C. Dear student, both B and C. You can say ionic compound या electrovalent compounds. Okay. Now question number 9. What is the other term used for ionic compounds? Covalent compound, electrovalent compound, both A and B, none of these. Dear student, you also call the ionic compound, you also call the electrovalent compounds. Done? Any confusion? No. Now move to the question number 10. Name the cation and anion present in MgCl2. Dear student, MgCl2, magnesium chloride, right? So magnesium is the cation, is a metal. They have lose an electron. That's why to develop positive charge. Okay, those substance develop positive charge, you can say cation. Those substance develop negative charge, you can say anion. That's why Mg plus 2 is the cation and Cl minus is the anion. Got it? Any confusion? Any doubt in case of cation and anion? Okay, nice. Now move to the question number 11. What is the melting point of NaCl, sodium chloride? The right answer is 1074 Kelvin. What is the physical nature of ionic compound? Ionic compound, they have solid, hard and brittle. Okay. Now move to the question number 13. Why are the ionic compound generally hard? Okay, dear student, in ionic compound, they have in generally hard because force of attraction between negative and positive ions they have interact with each other. Okay, getting my point? That's why in the ionic bond they have in generally hard. Done? Any confusion? Because two opposite charge interact with each other, cation and anion. Okay, okay. Now move to the question number 14. Ionic compounds have dash melting and boiling point. Ionic compound have high melting and boiling point. Why? Because in the ionic bond opposite charge interact with each other. They have tightly interaction with each other. It is known as the electrovalent. Already I am saying that, getting my point, is already discussed in the electrovalent bond, and you also call the ionic bond also, right? So in the ionic bond, two opposite charge interact with each other. Okay, that's why they have very high melting and boiling points. Understood? Now question number 15. Electrovalent compound are generally dash in water. Electrovalent compound are generally soluble in water. Let's take an examples, right? Let's take an example. It can be clearly understood it is soluble or not, right? Dear student, all of you know the NaCl, right? So NaCl is a electrovalent compounds, yeah, you also call the ionic compounds. Got it? So Na plus and Cl minus, it also crystal. It also a crystal, right? So if you adding NaCl in the water, what will be happen? It will be dissolved very fast. Yes or no? Ionic compound dissolve very fast in the solvent. Okay, rate of reaction is very fast as compared to covalent bond. Understood? So you can say electrovalent compound are generally soluble in water. Got it? And that rate of reaction is very fast also. Okay, dear student, it's the last question, question number 15. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe this channel. You can be click on the bell icon button, right? If any video is uploaded, you will be notified. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.